Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to show you guys how I prepare cocoyam for my Nigerian soups. Please keep on watching. Cocoyam is a staple food in Africa and in Asia. It is used in so many delicacies. On today's video, I want to show you guys how to prepare cocoyam to be used for soups. So the first thing you are going to do is to wash and cook the cocoyam. It takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour to cook cocoyams, or for them to be completely cooked. But because I used a pressure pot, it took me less time to cook the cocoyams. So here are the cocoyams after 20 minutes of boiling in a pressure pot, and this is how they are looking. You will notice that the skins will come off very easily when they are properly cooked. The skins will just come off without stress if the cocoyams are well cooked, just like you see in the video. So the next step is to peel off the skin completely, and then we'll move to the next step. One secret I would like to share with you guys is to always peel off the skins when they are still very hot. Okay, if you let them get cold, then the skins will tend to adhere to the cocoyams, and then you may have to use knives to peel off the skin. So always peel off the skins when they are still piping hot. That's the number one tip in today's video. The second tip is to always boil your cocoyams with their skins on. Do not peel off the skins before boiling. It helps to retain the nutrients, and it even helps them to cook faster. So once we are done with peeling off the skins, we are going to cut them into smaller chunks to make them easier to blend. And to do that, I'll be using this brand of kitchen knife by EnoKing. If you guys remember, I've reviewed their Serbian knife before on this channel, but over here is their Japanese knife. This is a 4.5 inches professional utility knife. It is made with clad steel, meaning that they combined or they joined different metals to achieve a high quality end result. I love the handle. It has an African rosewood handle which is so sturdy. This knife is so sharp, guys. It is good for cutting fruits and vegetables because it makes fine cuts. When I reviewed their Serbian knife before, I know I talked about how I so much love their packaging, and guys, it is still the same. Just look at this cute little manual. I never knew that knives come with a manual, but just look at this beautiful cute little manual that came with this knife. I so much love it about this brand. They take out time to package their product, which is so cool to me. So if you are looking for a high quality and affordable professional chef knife, make sure you check out this brand, EnoKing. The link will be in my comment section and in my description box. Okay, when you use the link, you get some discounts. They have various knives that will suit your style and your need. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the cocoyams into smaller chunks just to make it easier for my food processor. Traditionally, back home in Nigeria, we use mortar and pestle to pound cocoyams. But if you have a food processor, you don't need to go through that stress. Okay, just use a food processor. It works like magic. Now that we are done cutting the cocoyam, we are going to blend in our food processor. If you don't have a food processor, it is okay to use a blender, but if you want to use a blender, that means you have to add some water to make it easy to blend. If you are using a food processor, there's no need to add water while blending the cocoyam. There are so many things you can make with a food processor, including our almighty pounded yam. Make sure you check out my channel because I'll post that video very soon. So this is how it is looking after blending. Just blend until there are no lumps left. This is the end result, and this is good to be used as a thickener in your soup, especially bitter leaf soups and oha soups. I have a separate and very detailed video on how to make bitter leaf soup or oha soup using cocoyam as a thickener. Make sure you check out the video because I'll link it after this video. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from and how you use cocoyam in your country. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.